Hospitality is an art, but managing it shouldn't be a struggle. We believe your focus should be on your guests, not your software. Introducing RoomDesk. This isn't just a hotel management system, it is a complete ecosystem. Automated invoices in a single click, monthly reports that visualize your growth, and for the first time, a dedicated guest portal. Your guests can order products, request services, and view their bills privately, seamlessly connecting the front desk to the guest room. It features a calendar view that is simple and an availability checker that is instant. No installations, no complex servers. You simply open your browser and it just works. Let's see how it operates. Visit roomdesk.app. Here, you'll find everything you need to know, from detailed documentation to our feature breakdown. We designed plans that grow with you. Start with our free plan, perfect for testing with up to 3 rooms. For boutique hotels with up to 15 rooms, the growth plan. And for larger establishments up to 100 rooms needing full guest portal access, the professional plan. Click Get Started. It begins with your identity. Complete your hotel profile, save, and you are in. Welcome to your reception dashboard. Clean, minimalist. It gives you a snapshot of your entire operation, check-ins, checkouts, and notifications at a glance. Let's build your hotel. Click Add Room. Enter the details. Save. You can view and edit every aspect of your property in the Rooms section. RoomDesk is global. Need to change your currency? It's tucked away in the top right. Click Settings, select your local currency, and the entire system adapts instantly. Now let's welcome a guest. Click Add Guest. We know you don't always have every detail right away. If you're missing an ID number or full phone number, simply enter a dash. The system stays flexible for you. Booking is where the magic happens. Click Add Booking. Select your check-in and check-out dates. RoomDesk intelligently filters your property. It only shows rooms available for those specific dates. If a room is occupied or in maintenance, you won't see it, preventing errors before they happen. Select your guest. Choose your booking source. The total bill is auto-generated based on your room configuration. Need to make a special adjustment? You have full control to edit the final price. Click Save, and you're done. Speaking of booking sources, we give you the power to customize this completely. Perhaps you work with a specific travel agency that sends you new guests. You can track that. Simply go to Settings, select Booking Sources, and click Add. Name your source, for example, City Travel Agency, and assign it a distinct color. Now, your reporting is precise and visual. Back to your operations. You can view and edit all reservation details directly from the booking section. Finally, we care about your peace of mind. We recommend regular backups of your data. It's effortless. Simply filter the dates you need to secure, and with one click on the Export PDF button, your records are safely saved to your device. Visualizing your hotel's rhythm is essential. Let's move to the calendar section. Here we have reimagined your timeline. It is simple, clean, and informative. Your bookings are displayed clearly, color-coded by their source, whether it's an agency, Airbnb, or a direct booking. You understand your occupancy in a single glance. Planning for the future? The availability section is your tool. Check room availability for specific dates instantly. The system is intelligent. It automatically filters out rooms that are occupied or under maintenance, so you never double book. Financials should be transparent. To record a transaction, navigate to the guest section, select your guest, and click Make Payment. You can add a new payment and view their entire history in moments. And to see how your business is performing, the report section visualizes your monthly growth with beautiful, easy-to-read charts. Now, let's talk about the feature that sets you apart. The Guest Portal. To grant access, go to the Guest section and select a guest. Click Edit and find Guest Portal credentials. Here, you will find a pre-written message containing a unique link, username, and password. Share this privately with your guest and remind them that this key is for their eyes only. A crucial note on security. A guest can only log in if their status is set to checked in. Furthermore, for them to request services for their specific room, their booking status must be marked as current hosting. This ensures requests are always accurate. Let's step into your guest's shoes. With their unique link, they arrive at the login page. Once inside, the experience is seamless. They can view their current bill, updated live, ensuring total transparency. But it's not just about viewing, it's about interacting. In the Guest Portal Manager, you can curate a menu of products and services. You control exactly what is available to be requested. Your guest sees these options and places an order, perhaps an extra pillow or a beverage. Instantly, your reception is notified. In the Notifications in Service Request sections, your team sees every incoming request. You can fulfill the order or cancel it if necessary. When you mark an order as complete, the system automatically adds the cost to the guest's final bill. No manual entry, no forgotten charges. When it's time to say goodbye, paperwork takes just a second. Select the guest, click the invoice icon, and a professional invoice is generated instantly. We are committed to your growth. If you are ready to unlock more power, navigate to Settings and select Upgrade Plan. You will be directed to our pricing options. Currently, we handle upgrades personally to ensure the best service. Simply click the WhatsApp button to contact our team, and we will help you upgrade your plan immediately. And we are just getting started. We are already building the future of RoomDesk. Soon, we will introduce direct online bill payments through the guest portal. And imagine an AI-powered assistant right in the portal, ready to answer your guests' questions, from Wi-Fi passwords to pool hours, 24/7. RoomDesk is not just software, it is your partner in hospitality, simple, smart, and built for you.